Soyez le bienvenu, mabuhay po tayo dyan. We're still in the verb au troisième groupe, the verb irrégulier. Okay? So we have another rule here. It means they have trois racines différentes. Trois racines différentes. Ibig sabihin, they have different kinds of roots. They don't come from one root. It means racine is root. Okay? They don't have the same pattern. Okay, example. Je vais aller. Nous allons, that is verb aller. Ils vont, it's still verb aller. Next, je vais, nous allons, ils vont. Okay, so this is the conjugation for the verb aller. If you will see, they are not the same. Next, we have another one, the verb venir. Example, venir, when I said venir is to come. Regardez, look. Regarder is to look, okay? Regarder. Regarder. Pero when we pronounce it as regarder. Viens, vin. Viens, V-O-N. And then après, ven. At the end. Okay? Example. Je viens à l'école. Je viens à l'école. Ça, is premier groupe, première personne, singulier. Je viens. Dumarating ako sa paaralan. I come to school. But when we use nous is we. Nous venons ici. Nous venons ici. Dumarating kami dito. We come here. It's not the same. So, je viens à l'école. I come to school. But when we use nous, it will become nous venons d'ici. Nous venons, I come here. Okay? See? So we will explain this one later, okay? And then we have tenir. Tenir. Tenir is not tenir, no? Tenir. Tenir is to hold, umawak ka. Okay? For the premier group, première personne singulier, tiens. Je tiens le sac. Je tiens. On ne prononce pas le S. Je tiens le sac. I hold the bag. Hawak ko ang bag. But, when we use nous, the première personne pluriel, nous tenons la main. Nous tenons la main. Hawak namin ang kamay. Hawak namin ang kamay. Nous tenons la main. We hold hands, okay? We hold hands. Nous tenons la main. Get them? So, venir means to come. Mais, première personne, c'est je viens. Et première personne plurielle, nous venons. Next, tenir. Tenir is to hold. Je tiens. Et nous tenons la main. Get them? Okay, we'll continue after. Okay, merci. Now we have pouvoir. As I said before, pouvoir is you can. But maaari, okay? Pouvoir, you have the power to do it. Example. Peux. Je peux aider. Je peux. I can help. Je peux. But première personne, ça c'est première personne singulier. But première personne plurielle, nous pouvons venir. Nous pouvons venir. Okay? See, it's not the same. Donc, je peux. Et après, nous pouvons venir. We can come. It's still the verb pouvoir, but the conjugation changes. Okay? Get it? Next. Vouloir. Vouloir is want or gusto. Pag ginamit mo, je veux. Sa sarili mo, je veux. Je veux manger. I want to eat. Je veux. But nous voulons partir. We want to leave. We want to leave. Nous voulons partir. Donc, je veux is I want to eat. Mais pag gusto nila, we want to leave, nous voulons partir. Get it? Next, devoir. Devoir. Devoir is a must o kailangan. Okay, you must it. Okay, doit at saka dev, D-O-V. Example. Je dois travailler. Je dois travailler. première personne singulier. Mais première personne plurielle, nous devons étudier. Nous devons travailler ou nous devons étudier. We must study or we must work. Get it? So, pouvoir, je peux, nous pouvons. Vouloir, je veux, nous voulons. Devoir, je dois, nous devons. Get them? Merci. Now we have faire. Faire means to do, okay? This time, it's the vous changes. It's not uz. It's not uz or iz, no? Yung buffete. Buffet. This one is vous faites. Vous faites. Okay? Okay, buffet de sport. Nag-exercisyo kayo. You do the sports, okay? Buffet. Next. Dire is not budite. It's not beau manger, beau danser, beau croyer ou Z. But this time is dit. Vous dites. Vous dites bonjour. Sinasabi nyo ang hello. You say hello. Vous dites. Okay? And then we have avoir is to have. Is j'ai un livre. J'ai is to have. J'ai un livre. I have a book. Upang magkaroon. Okay? So, faire, we use for vous. Deuxième personne pluriel. Vous faites. Vous faites de sport. Okay? Pag marami sila, there are many, but even with your employer, if he or she is only alone, you said, vous faites de sport, monsieur, vous faites de sport, madame, okay? Because that is vouvoiement, that is a sign of respect, okay? And then, dear, vous dites. Qu'est-ce que vous dites, madame? Qu'est-ce que vous dites, monsieur? Vous dites quelque chose? Vous dites. Okay, you say something? Kahit isa lang siya because that is vouvoiement. Vous dites quelque chose? That is a sign of respect. Okay? Vous dites. Vous dites. Et avoir is to have upang magkaroon. Get them all? Merci. Donc, les verbes irréguliers s'apprennent par cœur. Les verbes irréguliers s'apprennent par cœur. S'apprennent is plural form because les verbes, there are many, okay? S'apprennent par cœur. We need to kabisadoin ng lahat by heart, okay? Memorize them carefully, okay? And then, like for example, we have voir with letter V as in victory, because we have boire, letter B as in boy, that's to drink. But voir, V-O-E-R, is to see. You need to pronounce it properly. Voir is to see o makita. Example, je vois le chien. Je vois le chien. I see the dog. Je vois le chien. Okay? Pronounce it carefully. Le CS is sh. Sh. Okay? Chien. Chat. Okay? Charles de Gaulle. Chat. Chanson. Chien. Okay? Donc, voir is to see. And then we have dire. Dire is to tell or to say something. Sabihin. Okay? Je dis bonjour. Sinasabi ko ang hello or I say hello. Get them all? Okay. Voir is to see. Et dire, D-E-R-E, is means to tell or to say. Get them all? Okay. We're going to, I will give you all the conjugation later. After this. Okay? Okay, so please don't forget all these verbs, irregular verbs. And please also don't forget me to like or subscribe at i-comment for more videos. Libre to, walang bayad. Merci beaucoup tout le monde et à bientôt!